Welcome back to Channel Glopen. I'm an SJTU student living here in China. This is my second year in Shanghai. And back in Italy, I have a lot of friends and family members that always ask me what it's really like living in China. And they might see a lot of videos and stuff online, but actually today I want to show them and I want to show you how local real life in Shanghai actually looks like without filters. So let's come with me. So today we're gonna experience a lot of different stuff. We're gonna see a lot of different places. We're gonna order food through the drone delivery. We're gonna see the Hema Fresh supermarket. We're gonna see what's inside a typical Chinese shopping mall. But before all of this, I definitely need a coffee. So we're gonna order some coffee through the Meituan app, through the fast delivery, and let's see how it works. So I'm gonna order my coffee through the Meituan app, and I'm gonna order the cheapest and most delicious coffee that you can get here in China. The shop is Luckin Coffee. So I go on the Meituan app, I select here the shop, Luckin Coffee, then I add the coffee, I place the order, I can choose if I want it hot or cold. I don't want sugar, okay. I place the order, this is the location, okay. And then I just need to pay, that's it. I paid. And now we just wait 20 minutes and I will have my coffee here inside the shopping mall. So the funniest thing on Meituan is that you can track, actually you can follow the guy, the delivery guy, and your order. So as you can see here, they're preparing the coffee at the shop, and in basically 20 minutes we're gonna get our coffee at this address here. Where are we now? So we just need to wait like 5-6 minutes to see the delivery guy coming towards us.
A few moments later.
So the guy has our order. He's 91 meters away from us. I think in just a couple of minutes we're gonna get our coffee. So here's my coffee. It took on less than 15 minutes, I think.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
So it's time to try to have a coffee before experiencing all the stuff that we have planned today. Honestly, this is one of my favorite services here in China. You can buy whatever you want within like just 15-30 minutes. Not just coffee, but also you can buy groceries, you can buy a bed, you can buy bed sheets, you can buy everything you want, like whatever you want. And the funny thing is that is even cheaper than like a normal store in Europe or in any other part of the world. So that's a super approved service. So here behind me, there's one of the most famous stores where you can buy any kind of technological device. You can buy laptops, mobile phones. You can find a very good compromise between like price and quality. Actually, this is the first time that I see something like this. It's like a professional camera on a mobile phone. But actually it doesn't work, so I cannot see the outcome of the photo. Actually, this is the weirdest stuff I've ever seen in my life. There's like a professional lens and also the style of a professional camera here attached on the mobile phone. I don't know if we can use it or not. I don't think so, but look at the design. Like I think it's not that easy to use and not very convenient to bring while you are traveling. That's so weird. The quality of the image is incredible. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. That's so professional, I think.
It looks like a cannon.
Looks like a weapon, actually, not a camera. These action cameras are very popular in Italy. I would say they're on the same level as GoPro, Insta360, and GoPro are the two main competitors in the action camera industry. Especially this model here, this version of Insta360. While maybe for GoPro, this version like this, design like this one, it's more for GoPro, and Insta360, it's like an iPod, like an old iPod design. So the next step is Huangxing Park, where we're gonna order food through the drone delivery, and we get there biking. So first of all, I go on the Meituan app, I scan the QR code, and that's it. It's just 1.5 yuan for 15 minutes, so pretty cheap. So let's bike to the park. See you there! Just arrived at the park, so we park our bike, we close it, that's it. Wow, actually this ride was for free. So that's the drone delivery machine, and now it's time to have lunch. So I open the Meituan app again. This is the location, and I place the order. So first of all, I choose the restaurant. Today I'm starving, and I really want like something very delicious to eat. You know, something with curry. I saw there was a Thai restaurant, so I'm gonna order some chicken curry with coconut milk. Yeah, definitely. That's the best choice for today. Only 22 yuan. The price is super fair. We're placing the order. Okay. I need chopsticks. And what else? We also have a discount. Here we go. 18 yuan of discount. Okay. I think that's all correct. Now we pay 24.40 yuan. That's the total for a Thai chicken curry. And now we wait for the food. Okay, it would take approximately like 25-30 minutes. As you can see here, there's the map. That's our location. This is the location of the restaurant. You can see the drone here. There are like 3, 4, 5 kilometers from the restaurant to our current location, and it takes only 30 minutes. I think the service is super efficient, as always here in China, I would say. So yeah, can't wait to eat. I really need it. Yeah, you can see the yellow line here. It means that in like 5 minutes the drone will pick our food up. So after this section of the yellow line, basically there are 5-10 minutes more for the delivery.
A few minutes later.
Yeah, it's coming down. I can see it also from the map. It says 200 meters, 2 minutes, and we can see it. up in the sky. And that's my lunch. I will put it here because another drone, other two drones are coming down, so let's unpack it. Wow, still warm. We put the box back in this bin, and that's my lunch for today. That's great. So let's see. We have some plain rice and the chicken curry. That's a bit dangerous actually, very oily. The chopsticks and the spoon. I'm gonna use this one as a towel. And now we are ready to eat. So that's the second time that I tried this curry chicken. So my expectations are very high. That's a proper Thai curry. Wow. Maybe you are wondering why I came here in front of the main entrance of a random supermarket in China, but there's a reason why, because Hema Fresh is probably the most common, the most popular supermarket chain in China. And specifically, we came here today to show you the innovative retail system, the supply chain system, where basically you buy your groceries online and this automatic thing on the ceiling basically brings all the stuff directly to your home. So that's a very innovative way of doing business here in China. So let's see it together. A very interesting fact, which is very different compared to like the European culture, is that you can grab some fresh seafood actually, but also meat, pork, beef, whatever you want. You can buy here, and then there's a fully equipped kitchen. It's like kind of restaurant where they can cook your food directly here. You can eat it here inside the supermarket. There's like a dining area here. There's also the proper space for the hot pot. So it's a fully equipped area where you can buy and consume and eat your food inside the supermarket, inside Hema Fresh. And that's a very interesting thing and very useful actually. That would be a service that I would appreciate a lot if we also had it in Italy, in my country. That's super interesting. Guys, that's a very sad moment for me actually, but as you can see, eggs here, like for 15 eggs, you pay like 13.43 yuan, which is less than 1 yuan per egg. While in my country, in Europe in general, basically for one egg, it would be like times 3, times 4, like 50, 60 cents of euro just for one egg. So basically for the same amount of eggs, I would pay like more than 40 yuan. And that's crazy because this is like the normal price of eggs. It's not our price. So yeah, I just want to cry right now actually. So For the payment method, we just scan the QR code here. Then we choose the Alipay payment and we scan the QR code. That's it. Very easy and efficient, as always. And we have the drink. So now we came back to the city center of Shanghai. Basically today we have experienced a lot of things. We tried the fast delivery service with Meituan. We tried the drone delivery service again with Meituan. We also visited the most common supermarket in China, Hema Fresh. And now we are here in this amazing place in the city center, which is called Zhangyuan, where you can see this very typical and ancient architecture. And this is simply amazing. So, well, this is what the real local life in Shanghai actually looks like. And, well, if you like the video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.